This is a guide on replacing a screen on an HP ProBook 445 G10. To begin, turn off the laptop and disconnect the power cord. Start by removing the bezel. Insert a plastic pick between the bezel and the LCD from the inner side. Move it along the perimeter. Insert a plastic pick between the bezel and the back cover. Move along the edges and snapping the bezel. The hinge cover is attached to the bezel. Use a plastic pick to release the hinge cover. Turn the laptop sideways and insert a plastic pick between the bezel and the back cover. Move the pick vertically, releasing the bezel. Place the bezel aside. The screen is held in place with 5 adhesive strips, 4 at the corners and 1 small one at the top near the webcam. Using tweezers, carefully pull out the adhesive strips from the top corners. Using the same technique, carefully pull out the adhesive strip from the bottom corners. Pull out the small adhesive strip at the top of the screen. Place the screen on the keyboard. Peel off the silver and clear tape securing the video connector. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket and secure it with tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. Also, make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Now we can test the new screen. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Reconnect the power cable and turn the laptop on. The screen is working and we can finish the installation process. Place the screen back on the keyboard. We're going to use a set of adhesive strips which you can buy on our site LaptopScreen.com. Use alcohol and a piece of cloth to clean the sides of the screen. Apply the adhesive strips. Peel off the protective film. Lift the screen up and apply some pressure on the sides. Remove the protective film from the LCD. Replace the bezel. Open the laptop to 180 degrees. Fit the hinge cover in place. Then go around the perimeter, snapping the bezel in place. Use both hands to snap bezel near the hinge cover. Turn the laptop sideways and make sure that the bezel is snapped in at the bottom. Turn the laptop on and we're done.